Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this VW Polo. This is a 2012, and I'm gonna show you how you can access the rear cluster for changing any of the bulbs. So in this case I just got all the lights on, so I'm just gonna show you what lights we have here. So we have an indicator, we have the side light. Obviously we have the brake light, but I can't show you that right now. We have the reverse light, and on the other side we have indicator, fog, side light or day running lights, and obviously the brake light. So I'm gonna show you on this side, which will be the same on either side, but how to remove this cluster and how you can access the bulbs if you need to replace one of them. So I'm just gonna switch off all the lights now. Okay, so the first thing to do is obviously to open the boot, and then if you look on the side here, you will see there's a little door there, little opening. You can open that, and in there you have that white, it's like a screw, so you need to unscrew that with your fingers. So I've already sort of undone it a little bit. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard because it's got a spring resistance on it, but it's very much doable. So that comes out, and when that is out, you will feel that this becomes a bit loose, but it's kind of plugged in a little bit on the side, so you do need to just give it a bit of a pull from here. Now if it's a bit difficult for you to do that, you could use a very small screwdriver and just pull it out of there, which is what I need to do right now. Okay, so I've got a flathead screwdriver here, and but you want to avoid damaging your car, obviously, so you could use a bit of rag in between, but all you want to do is basically that. Just want to pull that little bit out, or you could use better use a plastic prying tool if you have one. If not, you can still use the screwdriver. Be very mindful of your paintwork, obviously, you don't want to get upset. So you could put, like I said, some paper or a bit of a rag to protect that, but it's not a lot of force, it's a very tiny little bit of force to get that out. So anyway, once that is out, this should pop out, and that will be, then you will find the electrical connection back here. So in order to disconnect this from here, there are two clips on the sides, which I will show you in a minute. You need to press, and it can be a bit difficult, but let me show you the little clips that you have to press. So this one here, so you want to press it from up here, and you also have the one at the back here. It looks like mine is a little bit low, or it might be broken actually, this one, but those are the two little clips you want to press in order to release that. And once you've released that, obviously you have your cluster out, and to access the bulbs you want to move these tabs to one side as well, these plastic tabs, while you pull this gray piece out. So I don't know if I can manage to do that with one hand, but we'll give it a go. Okay, appears to be working. Okay, did work, and there we are. This is our cluster here, and these are the bulbs we have. This is just regular bulbs you can find on the internet. You can Google this fog light VW Polo, and you will get bulbs like this. And to change any of these, you basically push them down a little bit and rotate them anti-clockwise, and then that comes out. To fit them back in, again, you have to line it up properly. But it will be the same procedure. Push it down and twist it, and then it locks into place. Same with this one. Push it down and turn it. Same with this one. Technically, something wrong with this one actually. Okay, there we are. So that bulb there will most likely be the same as that one there. And in, and then there's this little one here. That's like the day running bulb, but it is just a normal side light bulb. And that's pretty much it. You can then refit this, and if I can give you a little tip here, plug this side in first and then do this part, because otherwise you'll struggle plugging this. But it's pretty much doable. Let me just get that in. Okay, it just requires a little bit, your two hands really, a little bit of force to push it down, because it's got a rubber seal around it as well. So that seal obviously prevents water going in, so it can be a little bit hard to press it in, but it's not the end of the world. Okay, and that one. And that's it. Now we can fit this back in here. This plug can only go in one way. It's got those two bits there, like rails, which we can only fit on this side. So you can't get that wrong. Goes in there, clicks in, and then push that back in, and then we have this. Just locate the little hole and fit it back. Start screwing it. You will start feeling a bit of resistance. And that's it. It doesn't need to be super tight, so that's pretty much it. So with that done, we are pretty much done. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.